Hello guys, in this lesson I will show you how to create foreign keys in 3 different ways. As you see here, I have posts table and I have this normal column inside integer user ID here in my database, right? Normal user ID. What if we want to convert it to foreign key? We can do it easily, as most of us know, by using foreign key method or foreign ID user, right? And let's rerun it and back again, refresh, and still has no constraint or reference. To create reference, we can do it easily using reference, right? And our ID on users table. Refresh, and as you see here, foreign key user ID has a foreign key for users ID column. Instead of this long syntax, we can do it directly using constraint method. Constraint, right? And you can specify the table and the column. But let me show you what happens exactly in constraint. Inside constraint here, it has reference method for column by default, which is ID, and it check if table is provided in the first parameter here, it will use it inside on, else it will reformat it from the column name, which is user ID. Let me show it here inside artisan tinker, which we artisan tinker and clear, and here's exactly what happened. So we provide our user ID like that here, and it use before last underscore ID and to convert it to plural, and when we try to show it here, it returns with users, right? So back again and use migrate fresh, refresh again, and the same result. The last one here, instead of that, you can use foreign ID for method, right? And it takes two parameter, model class name, and the column by default is ID. So instead of user underscore ID, I will use user class. It's also imported here. Fresh, back again, and the same result. One last important thing to pay attention here, if you want to make it nullable, you must add nullable before constraint, right? So it must be like that, nullable, fresh again, and back, and now it's nullable. Here is how to create foreign ID in 3 different ways. Support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you in next videos.